You know, folks, I've always been drawn to the wild, untamed spirit of the West. It's a place where legends are born, where the sun sets over rugged mountains, and where the dust of the prairie dances in the twilight. But let me tell you, not all legends come with a happy ending. Take the tale of two cowboys, Slim and Bella, two friends who rode the range together, sharing dreams of gold and glory. They were the best of partners, always plotting their next heist, always chasing that elusive big score.
Shoot out under the sun. Bullets flying, nowhere to run. Shoot out, here it comes. Heartbeats racing, drums that pound.
Like the robbery, they will go for good robbery that
Your money sweet.
Money sweet, I will for money there.
So you make sure you put the ass and forget some water and something, alright? So we just go get some drink. Nah, right now we need something stiff to drink, you know. That me I tell you, you know. Yo. A long time I tell you, say a them boy the way I have to go
for them.
Too much of the petty robbery in the work out. Look how much left money we get. And I in the US.
Look no man, of course.
Yo, we need a stiff drink, brother.
Yeah man, stiff drink.
Bartender.
Bartender.
Hello, how may I help you?
Well, right now, if you can give me something hard or stiff, I would take it.
Would you like that straight or on the rocks?
Straight.
Keep them coming here.
Like a long time to rob them boy there. Long time.
You know,
What for food they have, you know what I mean? What for food always in the brings. That's all the money there.
Yo, look how much money we get.
A whole heap of money there.
All the while, man, I go find some robbery or some little pickings.
A whole heap of money there, man. We're full of money. Watch, man. We have to split up the money, because we have a bigger thing to go on.
My youth, that and the money, my youth.
Bigger food there,
yo,
bigger food there.
Yo, me know one thing where we can go on my youth. From weeks, me I plan that in my youth.
I don't know a Chinese store, the Chinese supermarket, I think.
No, man, they have a dash down King Street, my youth.
Yeah, we need to go down
Eustace Lee.
Yeah, we need to
$1
go
billion worth of thing that
go down there. We need
in this, we need to go, especially on a Saturday, my youth.
This is the place. You want to know?
Every Saturday, the brings coming up.
We are good on
so,
this Saturday.
Here what?
Saturday
The brings come about 6 in the evening. Because I done study that already, you know. So, you see, in the evening, about 2, 3 o'clock when everything I gather. And that, me get the man them, me get all of the ass them, everything.
Everything, alright, don't worry.
Everything, me clean up the horseshoe, everything, my youth.
This on the list.
Ready.
This on the list already. A good link that we need to run in on the block there. Down at the harbour dash, we need to go get a piece of food there.
Yo, and one thing me I say still, you know, yes, I know really the place, you know, cause you see how the bartender from, we come and take it out, you see how you see her? Yeah, watch her, yeah, pray her.
You know, see how she look for we.
Right now, me I pray you, you know.
With what?
Cause me no understand how the fuck we just don't do this.
You know, like how me I do, with what? Do this with what?
That's supposed to dead down here, so you know, you have that cock up there, so you know, my youth. Yo, me I tell you, brother, you have to be vigilant, you can't take out the money here, so you know, man. Me tell you, say, from we come, the girl just a look and depend on her phone, my youth. So you want just lock up that and when we read somewhere safe, brother, we can deal with that.
We're not afraid of people. But the money stay right here, so.
Yeah, what going on, sir? What
What? What you want?
Briefcase, I want that.
Mine, you know, mine yourself, you know, youth.
Sell
You
it
know
on,
who
man.
you're there around, you know who you are play with.
I feel like
Youth.
briefcase, I want that.
What you say? 10 peso?
Anything I do, I want that.
Bella, count down.
$1, 2 peso, 3 peso, 4 peso, 5 peso, 6 peso, 7 peso.
That's how we deal with boy.
Yo, remember you know? Me have 3 in you, me have 4 in you.
Yeah.
Play with bad man here. That me I tell you now.
You know the pan, you know.
Nobody can run to
Alright, see the lady I come give you the drink.
a serious thing I go on here, so.
For play.
Look like I might play. Alright. Do so.
Watch out.
Thank you, my
Watch out,
dear.
let the game, you know. Let the game.
Play, here play.
Wait for it, sit there.
My play. What I do with the game? What I do with the game? What I do? Are you play?
Serious game I play here, so.
Alright,
Me no play.
I might play you know. Alright. Go so.
Like that over there, sir, for me, you know. The thing around there, sir. Bella, how much you have?
Remember on a party this, my youth.
How much you have?
On a party this.
How much you have? But I might play. Wait, you play and me no play it. How much you have?
3.
Pass. Pass.
A joke thing, a serious thing this in my youth.
Watch that style.
You have to go give you a pass, you know.
Which part?
Hold that.
Where you give me pass from?
I win, you know.
Where?
Man, call the
I
game,
win,
you know,
me win,
brother.
me win.
I know you're-
Think that this can't
that can't
play
play
this,
this,
you know. A gunshot for less than this in my youth.
I don't want to know. Go
What
round.
you do? A money game this, you know.
What you mean about gunshot? Ease yourself, Bella.
Gunshot, a 6-shooter me use, you know.
Yo, put where that on easy, man, and mine, man, pop off on you.
Put where what? Put where what? You a big people game a go on here, so no picnic game a go on here.
Put on that and
no
think about the
picnic
money
game
where
a
you
go on
have
here,
to
so
pay
you
me.
know. Listen, and no picnic
I
game
wanna
a
the
go on
pan.
here,
Yo,
so you
play
know.
my youth.
Yo,
Put where no.
yo, what? I want the pan, man.
Come.
6.
I win, you know. See, I win. Come, where my money? Pass up. Nothing more, pass up my money.
Watch out, man. I want to hurry up and down there that I no game. I come on go rob a wholesale in a day right now.
Yo, my youth, you talk too much, man. If you are going to do that, nobody no need for know. Giant, because you don't know where you talk about them something. You can't, you know, see man decent.
Chill,
You can't
man.
bring them kind of talking there to man. Slim,
Oh,
Thing
man.
and everything.
you hear what man say?
You want this one,
I
man.
wish party you plan to go.
I'm going to go do what I'm not doing.
Where man
My
get the food
game,
from?
right? My game.
Slim thief, you know,
Got
man.
you. Got you.
Yo,
Round.
don't move everybody. I'm gonna give you everything around the table. Right now.
All this, man. All this, man.
Bella, what to that boy?
Right now, my head hot, you know. So anything, you know.
Mayu, give me that. Hey girl, give me that.
How I do some boy? How we do all the robbery around here?
From the boy come and he take up this man money. See my gun here in my lap, you know. And him take up mine. Me know you have it covered, you know.
Yo, I don't know where I play, man. Shut it.
Yo, me not like this, you know, brother. Cause me sure me woulda win, you know.
Alright, man.
Yo, somebody go get that body there out of place, man. Me can't deal with that side of
Yo,
it.
don't come move nobody phone.
Yo, call one of them boys to pick up that body there.
You know, talk.
So we make man analyze round here.
You not talk much, you know. Yo, Bentley, carry them money they come. Yeah, man, carry them money they come.
And last that body there too. We know we play with pussy around here. Kill we kill people.
We ride at dawn, the desert outdoor main. Dusty roads, feel the sun's hot flame. Two outlaws, wild hearts never tame. We run the west, through thunder and rain. We run the west, no fear in our eyes. True freedom lives where the wild bird flies. We take the night and own the sky.
Hold on. Now the boy saying that. He just come on community the other day. I know what man him kill down there. About 6 man. This boy destroyed down place, you know. And right now, it knows I first step to him. Now, I tell you dead now. Right now. Like immediately step to you and give something in your heart.
Boy. Gunshot we talk to boy with. What I feel like? Baba, shave.
Shoot out under the sun. Bullets flying, nowhere to run. Shoot out, here it comes. Heartbeats racing, drums that pound.
Hi, nice lady. Good day. How may I help you, please?
Hey, how you doing? We're here to get look at your diamond rings. We're planning to get married, right, babe? And we just want to see what you have. You know, diamonds, a girl best friend.
We have special collection here for our VIP. Let me show you.
Again, don't move.
Please, sir, please.
Money. Don't move.
Just take it, please.
Hey, yeah. Fly the register. Give me all I gold and jewel.
Please, I
Right
beg
now.
you,
All the
please.
gold and jewel. No.
Please, sir, I beg you, I beg you.
Hey, don't play with me. Hey. Don't play. The boy hand lean. You see when me wheel off and put back couple of time, I turn around the pussy, turn around, he almost dead. Many more of them out there to get it to, you know.
Yeah, man,
Many
with
more
you,
of
man,
them, you know.
with you, man.
And that me I tell you. No joke talk, you know.
That's how it go.
Come on, a nice piece of robbery
Yo,
this, you know.
Slim. You see the girl face when down with it and when you say Ray? You see her face?
A tear me did one tear.
That's why
off
I'm
her
dressed
face.
so, you know. Come on, she feel like say man nice, you know.
I want to her a tear me almost tear
Yo,
off her face.
how
So
much
that me
money
I
we
tell
get?
you. Look, a whole heap of money they there.
But this about what, 4 million?
Yeah man, about almost, you know, reach 4 million. But
Oh, you.
more is there to come.
Good man.
But here we know, we have all of the jewel, we have whole heap of jewel there. Look at that. And see it.
Alright, nobody
Look at that.
take out nothing more. No, don't take out nothing more. We
We
have
not
all of
expose
this.
it, we not expose it.
So that it's a workout, right?
Yeah man, you work out
Yeah,
and
man.
more things is there to come. Jewel store she run off and feel like I saw it come down. We
You
not
know,
run
something should have
joke.
squeezed in her face, so that one tell you. I come go on like she a whole ardent pa man.
Ah,
How
then,
she?
man, I want to her.
How she? Where she come from?
Know herself.
You know, man?
A food we a look and we a look food.
Ma what me used to go on down at barber shop?
The boy goofy come down there run off him out like Duns River Falls. Just a run him out like him take this thing for joke. So me have to just put something on him, just give him some. I want him to you man, empty out the clip on him.
You done him?
Done him,
Yeah,
done
man,
him.
a long time that boy that, yo, I see him the last time, you know, me I go down at the, me there I go, I ride through the little holiday, I go down the road. The boy jump out for me. Me I say, what, yo, what is for?
Yeah, man,
He
it
might
done
come
now,
tell me,
man.
say, yo, Slim come up on my place, come shoot up about 40 other I'm friend them and way.
Okay,
So
so that's why I'm come down there, try bad up me down there.
Yo, me have to apart for the ass, my youth, a be a shot, boy, pussy escape.
That's why I'm come down there, barber shop, I run off him.
Yo, I'm glad say boy get it.
Run off him
yeah,
like a
glad say him
fall
get it,
business me depend. And them thing they make me have to deal with them boy, they're wicked enough.
So me pack up them here, cause I remember say another day, another dollar, you know. You understand? You remember that little thing that me I tell you about in our weekend down at uselessly.
Yeah, we need.
Millions they down there, so you know, brother. So here what? We have to go plan about that, cause the ass them ready, the man them ready, everything in place, you know.
Me ready, cause from the food.
Everything in place, so here what? We are going to lock off this guy. Remember a sheriff boy, I chat up him out, you know, so we have to watch him. Here the party start there, no, man. A celebration time, you know, man. What you say?
Yeah, we can go well and vibe, man.
What you mean?
We can go well
We
and
rock
vibe.
something
no
and drink some liquor.
Yeah, and you know, we come down, you know, we come down serious.
Yeah,
no
man.
check.
Kings and queens, lords and ladies, I welcome you, Dolly Man, the action man. Bless.
Oh na 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 na, yeah. Oh ma 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 yeah. Boom boom. Watch those places you walk at night, the way you talk, when you talk. Watch out for the vampires who will sneak up in the dark. Watch out for the big time thieves who claim say that them smart. Oh, them a bring in the crack and the gun, come and shove the youth them hot, hurt and red. Watch the one of the bush. One more time again. Shoo. Oh my mama, yeah. Oh my mama, yeah. Cool, see them. Watch those faces you walk at night, the way you talk, the way you talk. Watch out for the vampires who will sneak up in the dark, Watch out for the big time thieves who claim say that them smart. Oh, them a bring in the crack and the gun, them a shove the youth them hard, hurt and red. Tell you what I look, they wanna keep it. I hear an next you dead. Whoa.
Me a go find you. Yo. A serious mission.
Alright, how we doing right now? Are you ready? Anyone from USA in the house, let me hear you.
See a party man there.
Anyone from England in the house, let me hear you. Anyone from Scotland in the house, let me hear you. All Europe, let me hear you.
Why next month now?
Africa, Jamaica.
Just enjoy ourselves, see? No stress today. Tomorrow we just go fuck up the place and done. Yeah.
All my people, wake up this morning slaving for bread, so that every mouth can be fed. Oh, the Israelite. This morning slaving for bread, how can be fed? Oh, the Israelite. Shut them a tear up trousers and don't wanna end up like Bonnie and Clyde. The Israelites. Watch now. A first pound there must be a pound. Somebody come and raise the
Yo, a long time if you mash up your bum. Do the weed there. Give me the weed.
Slim Bim Wagwan. I want to see my youth.
Terrible thing, man, terrible.
So you sweat so.
Be a judgment, man, be a judgment. Me have to beat up a boy a while ago.
Beat up push boy. My youth, you don't know we no beat people, man. Not even pick me, we no beat. We wait till them go big and kill them, brother.
Man. Go sell me weed and if you care back some money, £10 of weed and get $8,000 worth of weed and I be a madness. My friend, the way how me come down right now.
I'm go fix him business. Want to bust 2 in him right now, my blood a boy. So what you say, boy, there?
Yeah, see him over there, sir. See him there. See him over there.
Slim, that's how we deal with boy. We kill pussy and we kill them for fun.
Easy now, girl. Easy. Easy yourself. Easy. Make sure so you're ready before Bella come for you. Easy yourself.
What you say about the robbery thing there?
Saturday, man. Everything line up, you know.
Saturday.
They ask them, make sure say we don't use them none at all. Just feed them and water, cause them have to fast. Yeah, and everything set, the man them, everything, the blueprint done draw.
Once they ask them line up, we're good. Because when it comes to my mission, I don't waste time, you know. I work, I food me I look. That me depend.
Which is right.
Yeah man, I food me I look.
So you get the dynamite, them, the extra ammunition and all of them things.
Everything good.
We've been through a lot, you know, but all of them little petty there in a week, what we do.
Yeah man, bigger food there.
Slim, but when me hear say go on a strip club when me hear say the girl drink out almost the whole of your pocket. You are going to tell me now, say all of the hard work, risk with life, figure thief and get money. And this year I do with the money, my youth.
Get your argument straight. Drink out my pocket. No girl can drink out my pocket. What me give a girl or what me want give them. No girl no drink out my pocket. No strip club around here. Man a bad man. You know what? When you hear a certain little talk, sometimes you not even take that because people are tell you about them see me a strip club like me go visit strip club and man a strip clubbers. Me no strip clubbers, them fi know that.
That's thinking I street. And as a gangster, that not good for man a year no my youth.
People can't talk what them want talk, you know, so you come down. People will always have things to say. Do the right thing, because if you're good, bad is always going to come at you. And if you're bad, people still are going to have you as good person. So you want to just do the best what you can. As some look for life. So don't take what people say.
Slim.
Don't take what people say.
Slim.
And that
me and you go up on the robbery. And me and you go up on the blood clot robbery. And I know the drill them. I know all of them. Because me and you go thief them. I see the girl in the watch. And I see the girl in the chain. And she have on the blood clot earring with the diamond down here so.
How come she have it? How come she have it?
You give her it, my youth.
You know, say the boy golden eye. And him take away the things them. I show the boy which part I stash the things them and the boy go back they go take the things them, you know. The boy there, yo, we are going to pay him, you know. No worries, we have to get back everything.
Yo, you see like how you say a golden eye, we have mission to accomplish. Look like that boy, the golden eye, want him name to be changed to Bullseye.
Bullseye name him forget, but him name golden eye. Golden eye what? Move him bum buckler and go it.
We could focus on what is at hand, yeah? Which is the big ice in the week to come. In a weekend, yeah. Everything nobody fuck up. And hear what next time I don't want to hear nothing about no golden eye, you know? Or silver eye or any one of the eye them. You understand?
Hey, let me tell you this, we are going to step to him,
We don't talk, me know not too much I talking my youth, that may I tell you.
So when I see that boy there, a 6-piece me I give him out of shoot. Just remember that,
double
6-piece.
Double it, give him 12.
6-piece man get out.
And the 12 of them are going at one entrance. Yo, Slim, come and go deal, mash up that thing.
Mission.
Yeah.
But man, I shoot and miss on the force. What kind of... Hey, Chacha. What kind of police them? All the boy slim there and the boy they dead, you know. The boy they are going to bad people, them now go tolerate them thing. All the come boy they them call 6 bail. They go grave. Soon and very soon.
Yo, Slim, just don't talk to Golden, you know. And it no look good, you know. It no look good at all, me I tell you. Right now, me no really like what me I hear, you know. Me I tell you the truth. Come like things out to get drastic, my youth.
How the boy Golden I tell you, say? The boy them, I not trust him, you know. I not trust him. He not move real. Something about that boy there.
You see the last robbery that we go upon? I know it can't be accounted, you know. Because half of it gone. Half of it gone. And me I tell you from where you know, you see that boy there? You see that boy there? My skin a crawl for him, you know. Remember, you know, a long time, me a pray, you know.
Yeah, pray.
Golden eye tell me, say, you responsible for half of that.
Yeah, pray me.
The loot, them in must have pray you that the man say. You can defend it.
You see the one Golden eye.
You know, say a while ago. You know, say a while ago. Hold on. We're not arguing here. You see, a while ago, when me I say, where Golden eye say, you see, oh, you're nervous. You see, oh, you're nervous.
Nervous. Warrior no nervous, man.
Oh,
never nervous. Warrior, real warrior never nervous.
Me see it in
real
you.
warrior never nervous. Alright, watch and see when me buck Golden eye.
Me no want this.
Watch and see when me buck Golden eye. What go on?
Me no want it
to
get fuck up,
brain, you know.
We have things to deal with, and me no want it break right, yes so.
Golden eye using brain,
but you
you know.
Understand yourself, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. I must buck the boy Golden eye.
Yeah, me would want to see me and you and him, and we trash out this.
When we are going to see him, we are going to...
It doesn't sound good for you say I'm my partner responsible for half of the...
Probably you're not even see him. When you see him dead. Probably you not even get to see him dead. When you do see him dead,
so how we are going to prove say I know you?
Okay. Golden eye.
How we are going to prove
we are
say I
going
know
to see him.
you?
We have to see him. And then you know...
Me don't want to see him dead. Me want to see him alive.
What you going to happen?
Me want to see him alive.
You want to see him alive? Well, prove is there. I'm going to bring him alive to you.
Alright.
Prove is there.
I'm going to go on like so, I want to take man.
Prove is there. I'm going to bring him to you. Bella, no security not there.
That's weird that boy. I done map out that already, man. All them do a drink rum and sleep on the job, you know, my youth. A easy take.
Golden eye, have the ass them ready, you know. Because we might have to run out, gun blazing, you know.
Come in, Slim. The boy, they must sleep.
What you say, boy, they must sleep?
Yeah, man, a easy take.
Yeah, alright. No.
Golden eye, get down. Yo, move now. Oh, what you got? Get down.
Hurry up, man. We don't have time to waste. Hurry up.
Two outlaws running down the dusty streets. Heat of the sun ain't slowing their feet. Moonlit shadows where they make their meet. Dangerous hearts and it's time for retreat. Came to this town with a plan in mind. Looking for gold but what they find. Trouble follows they can't leave behind. Eyes on the prize but still being blind. Shoot out under the sun. Bullets flying nowhere to run.
Look here, man. Holy pollute this, you know.
Boom, me not tell you. See it here, I eat this.
Yeah, man. A good look, man. We work hard for this, you know.
Yo.
We deserve this, you know.
Money over bitches.
Money.
See it there?
Money.
Yo. This I left in a year and put up this. Little more we're going to link up.
It's a safe, man.
Me I go sell it.
You see why I name
Me I go
safe? This
sell
a
it, boy.
super safe. Super safe.
Slim, trust the eye. You fuck up sometime, but me trust you. Lock it. Yeah, go down the road, go check my virgin them. See?
Man, it's safe, man, put it on. It's safe, man. It's super safe.
Alright.
Yo, Bentley, just give the man them the signal. Flossing and then dancing.
We run the west through thunder and rain. We run the west, no fear in our eyes. True freedom lives where the wild bird flies. We take the night and own the sky. With the stars above, our spirits high.
Well, deputy, hear what happened now. Tell me something. How much finger this?
3 finger.
How much finger this?
2 finger, Marshal.
You sure, man?
Yes, Marshal.
Tell me something. How much buckle left on the table?
1, 2, 3, 4 buckle, Marshal.
But you come here, I can't see alright. What's wrong with your eyesight, man? So tell me something, man. How you miss the boy what you shoot after?
Boy, Marshal, me take the gun, you know. And when me look and see the boy through the scope and fire the shot, me see say the scope off. So me that try to adjust it and I move. But I don't know what really happened. Not like the bullet there now connected. Me have to go carry that gun and go make a gunsmith check it out. Because something not right about it.
You know what, deputy? You know what we have to do? I think we have to send him back on some training. Yeah? Because obviously something's going on wrong, yeah? So what we're gonna do, I think we have to send him back on some training, yeah? Because you should have never missed that shot. That was an easy shot, that was an easy kill. You shouldn't have missed that shot. You know what I mean? Even a picnic with a water gun would have take that shot and connect. So I don't know how you missed that shot.
Boy, Marshal, I don't know how I miss it to Marshal. I don't know really what happened. That gun there, I don't know what happened to it.
Well,
we have to go fix that gun.
We're getting a lot of pressure right now. So here what we have to do. We have to just send you on some training, couple months, make sure say you get back the thing accurate, yeah, and we can move forward. Because you know what I say, because this doesn't look good on the force. We can't allow the place to run so. Yeah?
Yes, man.
Them are youth here, them a rob bank, them a rob liquor store, them a rob jewelry store. We can't allow them things there. So here what I want you to do for me. I want you to recruit 20 cool officer. Yeah? Them man have to cool till them are freeze.
Alright, Marshal. Consider it done. So, Marshal.
Yeah, man.
Like how me go recruit 20 man.
Yeah.
How am I like a training thing going on?
Which training thing you talk about? Man, go and go do what I tell you to do, man. You talk about, man. Everything good, man. Go do what I tell you to do, man.
Alright, boss. Alright, boss.
Yo, Bentley, see liquor them here, you know. Yeah. I make you play the game of them, you know now.
So what about Bella?
Don't worry yourself about Bella, man. Every man know them assignment. So when me give the signal, you know what to do. Make we lick a game of them, you know, and roll out. What you say?
No, sir, forte.
Yo, switchblade.
Hello, what going, Bella?
Yeah, man, everything was a success, man. I be a smiley face. Yeah, man, everything good, man. But you want no? That thing there, big slim, you know.
What?
I test him.
Alright, me so forward.
So yo, Bentley, where girl them there? You see a 5-star bookings this, brother. We make money, you know. We make money. Bring in the girl them.
Yes, my general.
Bring in the girl them, brother.
me I say, Slim? I want to have two things come here for today. You hear what me I say? It's either my money or your life.
Bella, how am to you? You're drunk. You coming like, are you a drink the Guinness? Or what? Are you a drink the Guinness? Bella, a choose a you, you know. A choose a you. Me kill people for less than this.
Yo, Slim, I chat up your mouth, you know. Remember say I me carry you come a road. You hear me I say? You think say me are the idiot boy Goofy we pop off knife pan you and you shoot him? 6 shooter me I go pop off pan you, you know.
Yo, Bella, calm down yourself. Calm down yourself. The money you want, money there. Bentley, go for some money can come. Go for some money bring come.
Yo, right now, Slim, I tell you something. You see that world, yeah? I get too small for me and you. So you see next time me and you buck up, a 1 peso, and not 10. 1 peso. Make sure you're ready. Watch yourself too.
Two outlaws running down the dusty streets. Heat of the sun ain't slowing their feet.
Yo, Bentley, you see dynamite them, rise them, because the whole place I go get shaky. The whole place. Serious.
So what about Golden Eye?
You don't care about Golden Eye. You mean bullseye? I have a special bullet for him.
Yo, Golden Eye, tell me something. How I really go on after I party when I left? Me not understand Golden Eye, me not understand. Talk to me, brother.
6 blade, and everything you hear if you believe, you know. You see the one Slim, I set them boy that try to set me up, you know. But I can rise my golden gun, you know. You don't know what got me, you know. You see all them money, all them jewelry, where them I say me rob up. Yo, kill all them boys, you know. Me nah be no name and not play the game, you know.
May I tell you something, you know, Golden Eye. You see from Bella call me and I tell me what I go on. May I tell you, say, you know, I cut me one cut out of that crew, you know. You hear me say? Cut me one cut out of that crew, you.
Yo, 6 blade. Right now, you know. Anything, you know. I cut more and cut two, you know. Have a group of man, you know, we're ready for rise the machine, you know. If you're in the line of fire, when gunshots start beat, you know that go.
Alright, Golden Eye, may I tell you anything, you know. Anything you say, you know, Golden Eye, you know. Anything you say, you know, brother. Hello?
Yo, Switchblade.
Yo, Bella. Yo, you know, so me just talk to Golden Eye. Them man, they are ready for fall their own network right now. Their own network, and I tell you, say me ready.
You don't know say me did right. All along when me I try to tell the man say, yo, Slim is a 2-timer brother. Slim and the one Bentley them team up. A plans to take over the thing. A half of the loot the man them thief, you know. A 5-star hotel me a little whistling bird tell me say then here now I go find him, you know. We do much in bitches round him, you know. I flash out money, you know. She say boy a joker. Yo, here what more you do. Link up Greybeard and make him know say the thing is on.
Just say the word, you know. You ready, you know, because we know me now back down. I war.
Yeah? And you see all of them thing they were with it stash, rise them. Because if a war them want, a war them I go get.
No back down. Look more. Hey, I tell you, you know. You see the boy Slim and the boy Bentley. You wait till me book them. No wait till me book them. I tell you, say 6 them I get out of my 6 shooter. You know, chatting, you know. Oh, you think no normal. You wait till me book them. I go on tough. Alright, man.
Yo, son one. Yo, my G. Song like that, say me know. So about Slim and Bella? Yeah, I don't want to hear nothing about Slim and Bella, you know. Want to the boy 6 blade? All 6 blade, I don't have nothing to do with them boys, you know. Nothing at all to do with them boys, you know. Alright, boss. I go and light up the machine. Yes, man. That is it.
We ride at dawn, the desert outdoor made. Dusty roads, feel the sun's hot flame. Two outlaws, wild hearts never tame. We run the west, through thunder and rain. We run the west, no fear in our eyes. True freedom lives where the wild bird flies. We take the night and own the sky. With the stars above, our spirits high. From town to town, our names they shout. Legends grow as we live this bout. No chains can hold, can't lock us out. For we run the west, there is no doubt.